I've taken hundreds of economy flights, and in today's video, I'll be sharing my top 3 hacks for getting comfortable in a plane seat. These are things that you can do the moment you get onto the plane without any preparation. The first thing that you can do that is going to make your time in a plane seat infinitely more comfortable would be taking that free pillow that the flight attendant hands out and placing it between your lower back and the seat back. I do this the moment I sit down and cannot believe how much of a difference it makes. And if there are extra pillows lying around, I will even grab a second one and then place 2 on my lower back. If you have never tried it, oh wow, you're going to love it. This second airplane seat hack to make flying more comfortable absolutely blew my mind when I discovered it. The headrest on many airplane seats is going to fold and bend to support your head and your neck. On some planes, it even moves up and down to accommodate for your height. Let us know down in the comments if you knew that the headrest could do this. I honestly only discovered this last year, so it may be a newer feature on planes, or I was just very late to the game. And this third hack to make flying more comfortable is going to be game-changing for anyone that intends to watch movies or shows from their phone. It's great that many streaming services like Netflix are going to allow you to download content to bring with you for the plane, but it is very annoying if you have to hold your phone up in order to watch any of that content. So here are 4 things that you can do instead. I have a feeling at least one of them is going to work for you. I personally have a pop socket on the back of my phone and will use it to stand my phone on the tray table. If you don't have a pop socket, you can also use the travel hack by taking a pair of sunglasses and using them to hold your phone instead. And then to get my phone at eye level, I will also use the thick laminated page from the seat back pocket to wedge my phone into place. You can also use a clear plastic bag to hang your phone from the tray table hook. And then there is also that viral travel hack where you can put the stick bag in between your phone and your phone's case, and then you hang it off the back of a closed tray table. Even if you are like me and prefer to watch from the seatback entertainment system as opposed to from your phone, I would still recommend you consider downloading some content as a backup. I have noticed that the seatback entertainment content has been rather lacking lately. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join us back here for more travel tips, and then I also hope that you have the most comfortable flight to kick off your next adventure. Bye.